মানে
সেটা
হয়েছে,
তাহলে
আমি
ওকে শিখিয়ে
অনেকবারই
দাও,
দেখেছি।
মানে he has told me.
কারণ এটা ব্রাউজার থেকে করতে হচ্ছে, তো ও একটা অন্য একটা ব্রাউজারে যে
ম্যাম ওটাতে আমরা যদি ব্রাউজার থেকে যদি করি আমরা ওটা ফিল আপ করে রেখে দিতে পারি, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই।
হ্যাঁ
আমরা
ম্যাম,
যখন
না না না, this is causing a problem. Fill up করে রেখে দেবে না, because they see, I'm reading out the vice principal's notice to all of you. Listen to this notice very carefully. As you know that the admission aspect is a big important aspect of this college. Okay, so listen very carefully. Okay, I'm reading it out. This is a notice. This notice is only this notice is only for those select students who seem to have trouble following simple instructions. Fill up your paper code exactly as I have pasted it on chat. So what is your paper code? Let me paste it on chat. MPHC4309, right everybody? So I am
Yes,
doing that. MPH, then C, capital C, okay? Capital C, then 4309. This is the paper code. All right, everybody? So look at the paper code. Just copy and paste that exactly, all caps and no spaces. All right. Then be responsible for your own attendance. If you fill up the paper code wrongly, the software, because you know that your attendance is now getting recorded through software, right? So the software will not recognize your submission for counting attendance. Data
Ma'am.
is, let me finish reading. Data is filtered according to the exact paper code. That's why the paper code is so important. All right, don't put anything before or after that. Data is filtered according to the exact paper code. Stop careless input of information in the attendance form. The vice principal reminds you that he is noting wrong times of submission of the form. This is exactly what I'm telling you. This ends the notice, okay? But what I'm saying is that somebody just said, have you finished? Have you submitted this? Have you copied and pasted this, all of you?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you been able to do it exactly? Write your teacher initials as simply TD, and what
Yes.
I was telling you, please show me your faces, all of you. If I have a problem accessing video, I'll let you know. All right, I want to see you all. So the vice principal is repeatedly saying, everybody show me, unmute and show your faces. I want to see you. If I don't see somebody, I don't give attendance, mind you. Lovely. As I see, hello. But it's nice to see faces in the morning, isn't it? Shita? Yes. Where are the others? All right. So that's very good. No problem. So what I'm saying, that the vice principal is extremely upset about this wrong. You know what happens? Our software, we are taking attendance, you know, is very important. So the software only recognizes exact paper codes. If you don't write the exact paper code, that is in the format that the software recognizes, that is all caps, no gaps, no extra information. The number of characters have to be correct, because it can only, it's a program, you know, so it can only recognize up to so many characters. Anything more or less, it is going to discard as nonsense. So what is happening is you are not getting your attendance. Number two, the time of filling up your attendance forms is very important. Some of you said that you fill it up and keep it. All right, but you can fill it up and keep it, but don't submit it. If that's your see, submission time is important. When are you submitting? If somebody thinks that okay, I haven't got it, somebody said, all of you Yeah, because Apna, mute yourself. Mute yourself, probably. Keep the video on. Rishi, mute. Everybody mute. Keep your video on and mute. All right. So the point is that you can fill it up, but you cannot submit, because what the software will recognize is the point of submission. Now, when the vice principal, we have this vigilant system, you're all adults, you know that a person can easily fill up an attendance form earlier on and then submit and pretend and not do the class. That's not, the college is not such a fool. So what the vice principal himself is doing, he's going through all the attendance forms of all the classes every day, and you can easily filter out people who have submitted at odd times. For example, it is on record that my class starts from this time to this time. You must know how the system works so that you also appreciate that you can't escape the system. Because now, if suppose there are 10 of you or 20 of you, okay, so if my class is around this time and I tell you submit the forms now, and I give you, say, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Now, when the vice principal is scanning, what is he finding? That most of the students are filling it in at the right time and submitting it in that time window. There are others who are submitting it much later or much earlier, none of which is acceptable. So that means then that is not being counted. So I'm just saying that you are all doing class, you are all in class. Why should you lose your attendance? Do you get my point? That is why I'm saying. Now, Aniruddha, you are saying that you are having a problem with getting this, downloading this form during class time. Is that true of others also who are working on the phone? Or has anyone discovered a method whereby you can surpass or get around this problem? Let us discuss this. This is an important issue which is sort of taking up a lot of time in the administration office.
ম্যাম বলছি আমিও মোবাইল থেকেই করি।
But how do you do it, Shweta, then? Can
কিন্তু
you share with others?
অপশনটা থাকে সেখানে আমি গিয়ে ওই ওপেন ইন ব্রাউজার অপশনে গিয়ে খুলি, কারণ এমনিতে খুলতে গেলে ওখানে ভীষণ প্রবলেম হয়, লোডিং হতে থাকে, মানে ঠিকঠাক ডাউনলোডটা হয় না। তো তার জন্য ওপেন ইন ব্রাউজার মোডে গিয়ে যখন খুলি তখন মানে খুলে যায় অটোমেটিক্যালি, কোনো প্রবলেম হয় না।
So when I tell
না
you,
খুলে তো যায়, তারপর হ্যাঁ
Yeah.
খোলার পর ফিল আপ করে রেখে দিলে তারপর আবার কিছু মানে ওইভাবে রেখে দিলে আবার পরে এলে তো মনে হয় ওটা থাকে, আবার
হ্যাঁ,
নতুন করে মনে হয় ডাউনলোড
পাবি।
হয়।
থাকে আমার
পেয়ে যাবি, তুই মিনিমাইজ করে রাখবি তাহলে পেয়ে যাবি।
মিনিমাইজ করে রাখবি, কোনো প্রবলেম হয় না। মানে মাঝে
minimize,
করবি
না
না, ওই
অনিরুদ্ধ বোধহয় বলছিল কি করে মিনিমাইজ করতে হয় ফোনে, ও সেটা বুঝতে পারছে না। ল্যাপটপে যেমন আমরা,
ফোনে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ
ফোনে
তুই ওকে
মিনিমাইজ
বলে
করব।
দে, আমি তো ফোন
সবসময় তো মিনিমাইজের একটাই বটন, লেফট
না,
অথবা
যে
মিডিলে বটনটা টিপলেই তো হলো।
কি বলছিস বাবু? ব্যাটারি সেভার? ও অটো কিল, তাহলে খুব আগে করিস না। মানে যেমন ধর শ্রেয়া যেটা বলছিলি অনিরুদ্ধ, সেটা করতে পারিস যে জাস্ট আমি ক্লাসে ঢোকার আগেই তুই ওটা ব্রাউজারে খুলে রাখলি, ফিল করে রাখলি, আমি এসে বললাম বেশিক্ষণ তো আর করে রাখবো না, তখন তো খুলে রাখতেই হবে ক্লাস করার জন্য। দ্যাটস when you can submit, na? What do you say? All right, you don't have to keep it open for a long time, but because the vice principal is very taking it very seriously, because we are having a lot of issues about this attendance form filling, and it's not fair also, because you guys are doing class, and why should you not get your attendance? There's no absolutely any reason for that, and the only reason that you will not be getting is because of some stupid mistake on your part, because now we are all guided by software. I mean, we can't help it, since we are on shamay ki hoy, we take a live attendance, and that's that. Rupam, what is so funny? Rupam,
Yes, ma'am.
এত হাসি পাচ্ছে কেন?
No, ma'am, I'm not laughing.
Okay, So point is, that's all right. What I'm saying is that, so try and make sure that you get your attendance. That's your right. You're doing class, you should get your attendance. And what I'm saying is that is true for all your classes. I mean, যেহেতু এই রোজ I see this discussion where, you know, students are just be fooling around, missing their attendance, being careless, missing their attendance. Just putting in a space, writing it in short, putting in shorthand, কিছু একটা করছে উল্টো পাল্টা, সময়টা ভুল দিচ্ছে, ঘ্যাচাং করে attendance is getting off. No need for all that, isn't it? Because you're all doing class, আমার তো দরকার নেই, it's your right to get it. All that you have to do is to follow the instruction, because we are all controlled by software. আর তো কিছু করার নেই. You appreciate that point, na, all of you? So follow the only, because any other kind of fun here, nobody else is going to be the loser. You only will be the loser. And that is something I know my students. I know that you're doing class. So I don't see why you should lose out just due to sheer carelessness. All right. Shomajit? Yeah. Hold it. Put your camera on right. I can only see the top of your head. That's better. That's better. All right. All right. So now we'll come to what we were doing. Have you all submitted then? Are we all ready to begin class?
ম্যাম
সাবমিট করে দেবো
Yeah, submit. All of you submit. Oh yes, please.
Ma'am,
Right
submit.
now. 1 minute. While you submit, I'm going to screen sharing mode.
ম্যাম আমি তো অনেক আগেই সাবমিট করে দিলাম
কে সেটা?
ম্যাম আমি
ম্যাম
বিয়াঙ্কা
সাবমিট করে দেবো ম্যাম সাবমিট করে দেবো
হ্যাঁ, কর। বিয়াঙ্কা কখন
ম্যাম
সাবমিট
সাবমিট করে
করেছিস?
দেবো
ম্যাম আপনি যখন বললেন প্রথমে
হ্যাঁ,
আপনি যখন ফার্স্টে বললেন তখনই করে দিয়েছি
তাতে কিছু হয় না, আর কেঁদে কেটে করবিটা কি, ও যা করেছিস। But that's all right. So I'm giving you 15 minutes. That's okay. So within this, for today's class, 15 minutes. Bianca and everybody else, submit করে দাও। আরেকজন কে বলছিলে?
ম্যাম একটু সময় দিন ম্যাম 2 মিনিট সময় দিলে আমি করতে পারি আমি
আচ্ছা,
করে
2 মিনিট দিচ্ছি। অনিরুদ্ধ কথা না বলে সাবমিট কর। আমি ততক্ষণ ওই করছি, আমি স্ক্রিন শেয়ারিং এ যাচ্ছি। video off করে দে, no problem. I'm going to share screen anyway. Can you see my screen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Point is, yeah. So now, this is very slow today.
ম্যাম ম্যাম বলছি আমাদের কি অক্টোবর মাসে বা মানে কোনো পরীক্ষা আছে?
Haven't you got a notice? Where have you been sent a
না
notice as yet? Don't you worry.
না ম্যাম মানে
You will get a notice, which will, of course, you will all have to do your exams. No doubt about all that, my dears. How do you think you are going to be in SEM 2 without passing SEM 1? I mean, you will be in SEM 2. That's not an issue.
SEM 2
সেম টু এর কি পরীক্ষাটা হবে?
তোরা তো এখন SEM 4 এ, তাই না? না SEM
3
না ম্যাম 3
SEM 3, yeah, SEM 2 পরীক্ষা অবশ্য করেই হবে. There is no doubt about that. Okay.
পরীক্ষা হবে?
Of course পরীক্ষা হবে, no doubt. But কবে কখন, don't you worry. You will be given notice. You will be told how much is your syllabus. You will be given clear instructions, enough time to study. Right now, don't worry about that. Concentrate rather on what is being taught here, because this is also going to be tested in the right time. This is probably going to be, you're going to be appearing for an exam for this semester, maybe sometime in December or January, maybe early January. So this also has to be learned, okay? but your SEM 2 exam will also be held, but the exact syllabus, the mode of examination, all will be given to you in an email, and you will have sufficient time. We all appreciate that you have forgotten everything. We understand that, isn't it? We are not stupid. So we understand and appreciate that, and you can relax that you will get sufficient time to study. That will not be an issue. Can we begin class? Any other questions?
ম্যাম আমাদের মিড টার্ম পরীক্ষাটা কবে হবে থার্ড সেমে?
Third semester. So how we are, see that's also something. Don't worry. Right now, pay attention. Why I'm saying is that whether it is going to be one midterm, or whether it is going to be small class tests, or whether it is going to be whether I shall be taking marks, because I shall be giving you assignments as soon as I cover a certain amount of this superconductivity. I will immediately set you an assignment on superconductivity, which you will have to submit on the assignment platform of your MS Teams, okay, on the given day. So that those assignments will also carry marks. So it's not like, because of the way we are going about it, you can understand that it's not going to be like a perhaps just like, 100 marks sit down test. That's not possible, right? We have only 40-minute classes. So much of all this has to be tuned. Whatever is going to happen, very soon we'll let you know. So I'm just saying that right now, just study what is being taught, and you will be tested, you will be given time, and all that we've always emphasized is that in the semester mode, it is very important to keep up to what is happening every day in class. Keep up with that. So if you keep up with that, you will have no problem. Any other question?
ম্যাম বলছি দুটো সেমের এক্সাম একসাথে হবে না তো?
আরে দুটো পরীক্ষা কখনো একসঙ্গে হয় নাকি বোকা? দুটো সেমিস্টার পরীক্ষা একসঙ্গে হলে তাকে তো সেমিস্টার পরীক্ষা বলবে না, তাকে তো অ্যানুয়াল এক্সাম বলবে। বারে বারে তো বলছি সেমিস্টার পরীক্ষা হবে, সুতরাং দুটো পরীক্ষার মধ্যে তফাৎ থাকবে। অ্যানুয়াল এক্সামিনেশনের কথা কেউ বলছে না, দুটো পরীক্ষাই হবে। দুটো পরীক্ষার আগে বারে বারে বলছি যথেষ্ট সময় হবে। এত ভয় পাচ্ছিস কেন রে? আমরা কি অমানুষ? হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
ঠিক আছে?
ওকে ম্যাম।
Don't worry. Students are first concern all the time. That's why we are here now. Without you, where would teachers be? So, having said that, তোদের কথা ভাবছি, তোদের কাছ থেকে কি, what is expected? You only study, that's all. Nothing else. And everything else, we will give you time, everything will happen. So now, let me begin. Otherwise, you see, it's already 10:22. And once again, and another thing Vice Principal has told us teachers again and again is that we are not supposed to teach you for more than 40 minutes. Do you understand that? Apparently, it is true, and I do appreciate that you are having one class after another, isn't it? Is that so? পরপর ক্লাস হয় কি তোদের?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম,
Yes, ma'am.
মোটামুটি রোজই পরপরই ক্লাস হয়।
রোজই পরপর ক্লাস হয়, সুতরাং apparently it is extremely strainful for you. Is that true? না তোদের মনে হয় না it is so strainful? Is it?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, খুব
না ম্যাম, যদি কেউ ওভারশুট করে মানে 10 মিনিট 15 মিনিট নিয়ে নেয় তাহলে একটু অসুবিধাই হয়।
একটু অসুবিধাই হয়, তাই জন্য ভাইস প্রিন্সিপাল বারে বারে বলছেন যে বাচ্চাদের তোমরা ছেড়ে দিও। হ্যাঁ, তো আমার দেখ এত ফালতু কথা, তোরা আমাকে এত অন্য কথা বলাস না রোজ, আর আমি বলবো না এবার থেকে। আর any other question last time before, নাহলে আর আমি এগোতেই পাচ্ছি না তো। Is that okay?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. For now it is okay. So what did we do? We were looking for the ground state of the Cooper pairs, and that means Cooper pairs are 2 electrons. We had 2 electrons here, and we said that they have to be connected to a phonon. They are held together by a phonon. And so we looked at the Cooper pair wave function, which we said is therefore comes as the wave function of we called it some psi, where we said this is R1 R2. That is, this is the wave function of the two electron pair which form the Cooper pair. And then what did we do? We wrote out the Schrodinger equation, which was your normal Schrodinger equation, as you know, and where we had to put del 1 squared and del 2 squared, whatever notation I have used, and you put your psi, this psi here, and then you have your v psi. Obviously, this is going to be non-zero now. Why? Because normally we were at EF. This is your Fermi energy level, which is supposed to be the highest field level anyway. So if at that temperature I have to put two other electrons which are being held together, that means some extra energy is going into binding the two electrons. So they will not stay on the Fermi level but somewhere else. So what was our scheme? We said, okay, we know that the lattice, the phonon, here this is the phonon. The phonon is the lattice vibration quantization. So we know that at any temperature, the maximum energy that they can have is H cross omega d. So if I say that, okay, now omega, you know, can be written in terms of nu, and you know that nu is actually H nu, and therefore this is equivalent to energy. So in other words, we know that if over and above the Fermi energy level, if I have to have two electrons, they can only interact within a space of H cross omega d upstairs above the Fermi level and H cross omega d below the Fermi level. That's about the maximum energy band within which any kind of interaction can happen. And to complete this equation, what were we saying? That we know that if the two electrons, they must have been in at the Fermi level energy, so they have their energies are 2EF0, but because of the interaction due to the Cooper pair formation, let us say that there is an epsilon change over and above this, and you have this as psi1 psi of R1 R2. So this was your equation, all right? And then we took a trial solution, and so you know that we had taken the two plane wave solutions, one for electron 1 and the second one for electron 2, and then we had constructed the normalized their product together. It came as L cubed is your normalization constant. It appears because of your normalization constant, L being the dimension of the system, and this is I, and we put a K here, and we did a R1 minus R2. Now why did we put a, it's normally K dot R, right? But then why did the minus sign come in? The minus sign came in because we said that we can look at a collision process of K1 and K2, where this is H cross K is your momentum. So as if the two electrons, now you forget about H cross, they are there. If this is the momentum before the collision, then momentum has to be conserved after the momentum, after the collision too. And so therefore this, the sum must be equal to this sum must be equal to some constant K. So we said that if we have a collision, and let's say that the first one has a K1 vector in this direction, and you know that if you have a second electron, we took an example and said that okay, so if the center of the second electron, let's say the center of the Fermi sphere is here and this is here, and this K1 is slightly larger than Kf here, and then if K1 has to add up with K2 to form K, so then if this is the direction of the resultant K vector, then this you can close the triangle only if you put K2 in this direction. So when you add it up, it is K1, and then it will have to be K1 minus K2 will give you, I mean, unless you put this in the opposite direction, in this direction, you will never satisfy this expression. But then that means what? That means you will have to say that the two electrons which form a Cooper pair can do so only if they have exactly, because this is the kf radius, okay, both of them are sitting on kf, the Fermi energy level, and therefore in this point you can say that you know that if let us first say that when will where will the maximum, where is the maximum probability of collision? So here I will have to draw this, as I was saying, this kf, the space about kf. So here also I will have to draw the space about kf, and in the region of overlap, this region here and this region here, this is where at the most you can have the two electrons colliding such that they satisfy that K1 plus K2 must be equal to K. That is, this conservation relationship is satisfied. Okay, but then this now, so you might tell me that, okay, you have darkened the top here. Why have you darkened the bottom here? So I have just drawn K1 arbitrarily in the up direction, you know, positive angle direction, but K1 could easily have been a vector in this direction, and in which case then K2 would have been in this direction. Do you get my point? Hello? Everybody keep yourself unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So keep your videos off now. I don't care, but keep yourself unmuted because I want responses. Otherwise, I'll never know. So now I can see that the only regions of overlap here are this region here and this region here. But if I want to maximize, the region of interaction, then what will it happen? Now you can see that if I decrease the k vectors, the capital K, that means in the limit when capital K will go to 0, what will you have? You will then have the two spheres exactly sitting on top of each other. Yes or no? In which case
Yes,
then capital K
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be 0, and then the region of overlap will be the maximum. That means that will give you the maximum probability of collision. So now, if I'm looking at the maximum probability of collision, then what will I say? That if K will have to be equal to 0, if this relationship has to be true, that means then this implies that K1 must be equal to minus K2, right? And that means, I mean, this minus is okay for the direction. In other words, their magnitudes must be the same. The magnitudes must be the same. Is that okay? This is what I need for maximum interaction. That will give me the maximum probability of interaction. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what we do is that what we next did was we had defined, let us say, gk as a quantity whose probability, whose mod square gives me the probability of finding one electron in state k and the other electron in the state minus k. And so this is then going to give me the probability of finding a configuration like this. But then again, what do I have to, what can I say about gk? That gk will have to be 0 for all states, because nothing can happen beyond h cross omega d, and nothing can happen in a state which is less than kf either, right? Because I told you what is kf. Kf is your Fermi level. So You might argue that who told you that it only has to happen at kf? Well, when two electrons are going to interact, there is hardly any probability that it is, the inner shells are even more tightly bound to the parent ion, right, to the parent nucleus. So if anybody has to be excited and has to interact with the phonon, it can only be the guys who are sitting on the outermost shell, yes or no? So what we do is that we will say that gk, this is going to be 0 for all k's which are less than kf, so that we are taking care of the fact that nobody inside here is can interact. We are not even looking at that possibility. And we are also saying that there is no need to look for k's which have an energy which is going to be some ef0, which is what they had at the Fermi level, and at the most I can go up to h cross omega d above that, and then this is the value of k. So I can say that less than this is equal to gk, g is 0, and greater than this, g is also 0. All right, so g can have a non-zero value in the range between this. Are we all right, everybody?
ম্যাম
Yes, ma'am.
বলছি জি এর জায়গাটা আরেকবার বলবেন?
Yeah. So what did I say? I said, look here, what did I say? I said, what is G? G gives me the probability that I will find one electron in the K with momentum K and another electron with a momentum minus K. Now you might say, why are you taking K and minus K? Because I have already decided that when capital K is equal to 0, I will get the maximum chances of interaction to form a Cooper pair. That's when there is an exact overlap and of the areas. Isn't that so? Yes. Yes or no?
হ্যাঁ
Yes.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Who was the lady who asked me that question, ma'am? আরেকবার বলবেন?
ম্যাম আমি
আমিটা কে?
শ্বেতা।
Huh, Sheta? Okay, fine, Sheta. Sheta, you have to keep telling me. Do you understand? Okay, Ami, especially for you, I'm repeating this. So, what is G? G is the probability. Remember, what is G? G is the probability that I get a pair like this. I can find a pair like this. Also, now what should be the value of k? That is what I'm saying. Like now, okay, G gives me I can take a k value like this. But will any value of k do? K can have values from 0 to infinity, isn't it, in theory? But then the point is that really, is there any point in looking at all values of k? The answer is that no, there is no need. Why? Where will I not look? I will not look for any value. Suppose this is Kf. This is the Fermi level. Okay. So I'm saying there is no need to look for values which K values which are less than Kf. What was my physical reasoning? Atokatha is not written in the book. That's why we have a class. Okay. That's why I'm doing so much bog. Why don't I have to look for values less than Kf? Sheta, can you give me an answer? Say it in your own words. Why do you think if I tell you there's no need to look for the probability? I'm saying let us put gk as equal to 0 for all k less than kf. Now, why should you accept this? Shweta?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বললে উত্তর হয় না। Give me the reason.
ম্যাম আমি এই জায়গাটাই বুঝতে পারিনি বলে আপনাকে
So that's exactly very good. So point is, I am looking at the case where two electrons are going to form a Cooper pair, right? That means they have to form a pair via a collision with a phonon out here, right? That means there is going to be some energy exchange, right? Now, Who
Yes,
is
ma'am.
going to interact with a phonon? Suppose so these electrons belong to an atom. Let's say this is one atom. All right, or they could belong to two different atoms. I don't care. But the point is, I'm saying that I am looking at electrons on Kf. What is Kf? Kf is the highest filled energy state. That means it is farthest away from the nucleus. Yes or no? The closer
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are to the nucleus, the lower is your energy state, the lower is your K value. The more you move away from the electron, from the ion, your K value increases, right? So Kf is
Yes, ma'am.
at the greatest distance from the core. Yes or no, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, I'm saying that which of these electrons is going to interact with a phonon, you think? Ask yourself. Will it be somebody who is very tightly bound to the nucleus? Will that guy have a greater possibility? Or the guy who is sitting absolutely least, bound to the ion? The answer is who is sitting in the outermost boundary, which is Kf. I'm looking at probabilities, my dear, aren't I? Hello? Shreya? Shreya? Yeah, why are you taking so long to, have you all unmuted yourselves?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and then please, then hold on, Vicky is
ম্যাম
calling.
আপনাকে শোনা যাচ্ছে না
Hello? And just 2 minutes, Bertie, I'll just... Okay. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Should I call the meeting? Okay. Then I'm not doing anything. You are just setting it up and I'll just join the meeting, right? Okay, okay. Bye-bye. Students, that was, can you hear me? All of you, I'm shouting out loud. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
why are you saying that we can't hear you? You know, you're just delaying me. That was anyway the vice principal. So I am coming back, Shreya, did you understand why I'm saying there is no need to look at K values which are less than 2? Please answer me. দেখেছিস শ্রেয়া কেমন চুপ করে আছে?
ম্যাম শ্রেয়া না সুমিতা জিজ্ঞেস করছিল।
কোশ্চেন করছে, আমি করিনি এটা।
আচ্ছা, যে করেছে উত্তর দে ঠিক আছে, বোঝা গেছে কি না? হ্যাঁ, এইবারে আমি বলছি there is no need to look at values which are greater than Kf plus H cross omega d. এর বেশিও আমার দেখার দরকার নেই। K values greater than this, এটাও আমার দেখার দরকার নেই। সেখানেও আমি G কে 0 বসাচ্ছি। Can you understand why? Can you understand why? Anybody? Yes. Who is that? Yes.
ম্যাম বৈশালী।
আরে যে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল সে কোথায়? কোনজন সে?
ম্যাম আমি সাড়া দিচ্ছি, আমার কথা কি শোনা যাচ্ছে না? আমি
এবারে শোনা যাচ্ছে, জোরে জোরে বল। আমি কি এরকম চিৎকার করছি? You understand this, do you? Why we don't need to look at K values greater than H cross omega d? Why? Why? Give me the answer. You give me the answer.
হ্যালো
হ্যালো,
এই শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ, Kf plus H cross omega
খুব
d
আওয়াজ হচ্ছে একটা কারোর মাইক্রোফোন থেকে, আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
Can you hear me now? Hello, all of you.
মাঝে মাঝে আপনার কথাটা খুব আস্তে হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তখন শোনা যাচ্ছে না ঠিক করে।
Oh God, is that so? All of you, can you hear me now?
Yes,
হ্যাঁ
ma'am.
ম্যাম
এখন শুনে
পাচ্ছি
Oh my, I'm so sorry. So, okay, so I'll repeat why we, can you hear me, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So why will we not go to any value which is greater than kf plus h cross omega d? Because nobody can go, there can be no phonon with energy greater than h cross omega d, right? Because omega d is the highest.
Maximum
Huh?
H cross omega d টা তো ম্যাক্সিমাম ভ্যালু, তার জন্য ওটাকে আমরা
Or maximum energy value.
হ্যাঁ
Car, whose maximum energy value? Answer, one of you.
ফোননের
ফোন
ফোননের ইলেকট্রনটা তো
Hello?
ফোননের কাছ থেকে এই এনার্জিটা রিসিভ করবে, সেই রিসিভটা করতে পারে কতটা ম্যাক্সিমাম এনার্জি? এট দ্য মোস্ট h ক্রস ওমেগা d, তাই তো? বিকজ ওমেগা d ইজ দ্য হাইয়েস্ট ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি of vibration at that temperature. তাই জন্য
কথা শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ এখন শোনা যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু তোরা আমার কথা,
ধরে সাড়া দিচ্ছি, কথা মনে হয় শোনা যাচ্ছিল না, জানি না কেন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক, বেশ কথা, বোঝা গেছে এখন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, বোঝা গেছে।
এই যে শোনো, এর পরের দিন, আজকে হয়ে গেছে সময়, এর পরের দিন আই এম নট গোইং টু গো থ্রু অল দিস अगेन. I have just repeated what I did in the last class. Okay, and I don't regret, it is all right. But next day, you please read up to this, all of you, in the note and come so that we can make a bit more progress. Is that okay?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Yes.
Yes,
okay
ma'am.
then. Bye bye. All of you যাও, পরের ক্লাসে চলে যাও।